Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this beautiful blended text effect in Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. I already created a new project. And first we need a text. I just change this font type to Lilita 1 and change the text color to white, go into the effects, lift and increase to the 100% and changing the background color to black. Canva teacher. Yeah. So duplicate the text, change the size to be bigger, like this. Duplicate again, rotate to 90%. Okay, is it not working properly? So position, scrolling down, rotate to -90. Yep. And change the size a bit again, like moving to here. This one a bit further and like this. So now I just start to duplicate my text. Just randomly. And now selecting all. To fit all the black part much as possible. Here again. Now it looks good, more or less. So I just need to save. Download, sorry. And open a new page and looking for an image what we would like to use. I don't like this blue patch on the bottom left corner, so I just try to increase a bit the image until it's done. A bit further, yeah, like this. And download this image also. So page 2, download. The reason why I'm downloading also this image, first of all, just would like to remove this blue patch, but anyhow, for blending images, the most convenient way if you have two images in the same size. Otherwise, might be some glitches and not this blending function is not working perfectly. So, opening a new page again, one image, and the second one is also here. So add a new page again, but this is just for adding the final image. Go into the apps and type blend image. We need this blend image application. So using one image to the bottom and top layer, this one. So just click to here, add the design, and already added to my design. Just fit to the page, and just this images already looks good. But if you go into the edit and filters, select all, scrolling down to the bottom to poster, It's even better. As you can see, that's really eye-catching, really beautiful design with these blue eyes. And as you can see, I didn't do anything. I just used this poster filter, so the system keep this blue as blue, and the other part is black and white. So that's really nice, and you can see, you can read the text. But if you would like to use a longer text, this is also possible. That's a really cool technique to create some eye-catching poster. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section first of all to feed the algorithm and let me reach more and more people with my Canva tutorials. And of course, if you're struggling anything in a Canva or you just have any question about Canva, please feel free to ask in the comment section. I try to answer as soon as possible. And of course, if needed, I will do a tutorial video about it. Please also check the description of the video where you can find links for my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok pages where you can find a bunch of another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts listed in a Facebook page, and of course in the Instagram and TikTok pages you can find short form Canva tutorials. So as I mentioned already, you can find the links in the description. But now this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.